Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video, and today we'll see how to use recorder commands in Automation Anywhere 360. Okay, so there are two recorders are available, like universal recorder and the recorder. Okay, so using these recorders, how we can utilize in Automation Anywhere, we'll see. So let's get started. I'll open the Automation Anywhere. So we'll create one taskbar here. So click on taskbar. So I'll just give recorder command. Recorder commands I'll give, and then click on create and edit. Okay, so now we'll use this command. So first we'll go ahead with this recorder, okay, universal recorder, and then we'll see recorder command. Okay, so what I will do, so let me open Chrome browser first. Okay, so here I need to open this web page and I need to enter the username and password and then click on sign in button. Okay, for that I'll just use this universal recorder. Click on this start recording, and then so it is going to ask you to select the window title name here. From this drop down you need to select that, or else you just click on this refresh and then select it from this drop down. I just open this in the Chrome, right? Pega Studio Training. Just click on this universal recorder. So here I'm just selecting this username field. Okay, I'm entering the username as admin, and then I'm entering the password admin, and then I'm clicking on the sign in button. Okay, so now you click on this finish button. So automatically that code is going to generate here. See here, so we are not added any recorder and capture command, right? So but itself it is, we just perform the steps manually and it is generating the code in the background. Okay, so this is username entering and this is password it is entering, and then it is clicking on the sign in button. From here, so that for password, so it is saying this field cannot be empty because it is considering as a, so we need to pass that password in the variable, so that is why it is giving error here. Okay, so we'll just click on this insecure string and provide that password. Okay, so then save this. So now I'll go back to this Chrome browser and I'm going to reopen this page, so that I'll just open that login page here. Okay, so now I will run the bot. So if you run the bot now, so it is going to enter the username and password, and it is going to click on that sign in button. And this is the most useful command in the Automation Anywhere, like universal recorder and AI sense recorder and the recorder. See, it is entering username password and it clicked on the sign in button as well. Okay, it is logged in here. So now these steps we need to do by using that recorder command. So how we can perform that? Okay, we'll see. So let me open this. Okay, go back to Automation Anywhere. So here I need to disable these codes. Okay, disable all actions. So now, so I need to use the recorder command, right? So before that I need to open that browser. For that I need to use the browser command. Open command you need to take. So here you need to link to open, you specify that website URL here, then save this, and just then take one delay command here. So just give 1 second of delay here. So it has to open, right? So that is why I'm giving 1 second, or else you can give 2 seconds. That is also fine. After this you need to type recorder. Okay, so here you can see that recorder command. So you need to take this capture. So record interaction with UI elements such as click, read and write. So if you want to understand these commands more, like, so you just click on this documentation. So if you click on this, so it is going to open the documentation for you. So using this capture action, you can capture a single interaction like click, keystroke, mouse click, and object also you can capture text box, button, radio button, menu, so combo box, checkbox, anything you can capture using this recorder command. Okay, see here, so that you can go through this documentation. So it is created by the Automation Anywhere. Okay, so I'll just close this, and so I'll just select this capture command, and here we need to select the application and refresh that from this drop down, I need to select the sign in Pega Studio training website. So here click on capture, and here we need to select like this. It is going to highlight the text box. We need to select that red color will come, right, that red line. So we need to select like that. So here after selecting, so you need to click on it. So it is captured. Action to take on object, you need to select as set text. So we need to provide the username, right? For this you can create a username. So I'll create one variable here. Username I'll give. Okay. So the default username is admin I'll give. Okay. That is the username. And I'll create one more variable, so that is password. Okay, so password is also same admin. So just click on this create. So now I'll specify that username here. You just press F2 and then select it from the drop down username and click on yes. And again we need to capture the password field right now. So we need to click on this action again and then double click on this capture command, and then same way. So how you have captured that username, the same way we need to capture the password text box. Okay, so I'm selecting this password text box now. So here I need to give that action to take set text, then come down. So here we need to click on insecure string and then press F2. So from here you need to select password. Okay, so once you selected, then save this. I'll just give this, I'll just copy this, and here I'll give some delay, okay, in between the text boxes. I'll just give 500 millisecond I'll give, okay. And then copy this line number again and paste here. Okay, instead of 2 seconds, I'll just change it to 500 millisecond. So now you take one more recorder capture command here. Okay, so we need to click on that login sign in button, right? Capture object and then click on this sign in. Okay, now save this. So here action we need to select, click. So save this. So now what I'll do, I'll close this page, Chrome page. Now I'm going to run this. So how this recorder is going to work? So it has to launch the web page, and then it has to enter the username and password and then click on the sign in button. Using recorder, we need to code for that by taking all the action from the automation anywhere. So if you want to use that universal recorder, you just click on recorder and then select that window, and so it itself only it is generating the code. So here it is launching the web page, entering username, password and clicking on sign in button. So now it is signed in. So this is how we need to use this recorder commands in automation anywhere. Thank you for watching. Bye.